Young Dizzle.
Hey y'all, it's Jimmy P. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. Hit that bell button right next to it so you know if I want to upload all of my videos. And of course, go follow your girl on all her social media at JIMIP_. Y'all know we lit on Instagram and Twitter. So make sure you go follow me on there. So today I am doing a video. It is sponsored by Ali Grace Hair Company. They are literally something like a hair company I just been following and I've been knowing since I was like literally since I started YouTube, so maybe like 18. I don't even know, child, but I've always heard about Ali Grace, so I was really excited when they reached out to me to send me some hair. And girl, did they send, did they deliver, honey? They delivered. Okay, so yeah, I styled this wig today, and you know, I just showed y'all how I went from a sad bitch to a baby. Okay, you know what I'm saying? Period. So yeah, if y'all want to see how I applied this wig and all the details on this wig and everything like that, make sure you continue watching. Hey guys, we are back with another wig video. Now y'all know I come on here very Meek Millish because girl, y'all finna see this slave from top to bottom. Okay, so yeah, I don't like to do my makeup before my wig just because I don't know, whenever I get to lay in my wig, it start getting mixed in with the it'd be a lot. So I do my makeup after I put my wig on. But yeah, that's why I'm coming on here like this. Okay, now if you are anything like me, girl, my hair is like super dry, like really dry. So I have to go in with not only my hair growth serum, like the oil, I also have to go in with like some more like thicker oil or whatever, because my hair eats up oil like it's no tomorrow. So just make sure y'all taking care of your hair under y'all wigs, because the whole point of wearing wigs is as like a protective style, girl. So make sure you're protecting what actually matters, which is your hair. Alright y'all, so today's wig is this gorgeous blonde, it's like a dirty blonde wig. I'm like obsessed with it. Like I'm kind of scared only because like girl, I don't know, like it's like really close to my skin tone. Yeah, so like I'd be really scared about how certain wigs are gonna look on me when it's like too close to my skin. But girl, I'm excited, like I'm ready to try this thing. So this wig is from Ali Grace Hair Company. It is a brown blonde color 27 wig, and it is 24 inches long with 150% density. Okay, like listen girl, first of all, the wig is super soft, like yes, okay, period. But aside from the wig just being like really nice, really soft, it's not thin when it get down to the ends, like it's like a good density all the way through. Aside from that, I've been watching YouTube videos for like the longest time, and the crazy part is I've seen Ali Grace since I started YouTube. Like since I started YouTube, and I remember everybody had an Ali Grace wig, like that. They was them girls. Okay, so for them to send me a wig, I'm like super excited to be working with them, because it just means a lot to me. Like girl, like I grew up like knowing who Ali Grace was. Okay, so the fact that they sent me a wig, it just like warms my heart. So I have nothing but good things to say about this company, because they've been around for so long, and just because of the quality of the wig. And like girl, we gonna see how this thing slay. Okay, so yeah, thank you Ali Grace for sending me this gorgeous wig. I can't wait to see how it looks on me. What y'all think? Y'all think I'm a slay or what? What y'all think? Girl, okay, we finna hook it up. So yeah, it comes with like straps on the inside and everything, so it can be tight around your head just in case it doesn't fit. It also has a clip on the back and some clips on the front as well. The actual wig itself is like really constructed, really nice. I didn't bleach the knots or anything just because I felt like it really didn't need it. So let me show y'all what it's looking like. I really felt like it really didn't need to be bleached. So I'm gonna put it on my head and we are gonna see if it needs to be bleached or not. And then I'm also gonna pluck it. I'm trying to think, should I pluck it right now or should I pluck it afterwards? Actually, I'm gonna just pluck it when I put it on my head, because since it's only a U part, I don't have to do too much plucking. So yeah, we just gonna do what it do. So yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling and get into the video. This gonna be like a little speed up process where y'all can see basically my whole get down on how I lay my wig, and y'all gonna see how this thing look on me. Okay, so let's get into it. Alright y'all, so this is the finished product. I am officially a blonde, like, girl, period. Okay, thank you so much, Allie Grace, for sending me this hair. I love the, like, just the feel of it. It's super soft. I can run my fingers right through it, and then on top of that, girl, it just looks so good. Okay, it looks thebomb.com. So y'all let me know down in the comments, do y'all like blondes on me? How y'all feeling this? I'm feeling it. I'm loving it. I'm not gonna lie, like, your girl is feeling herself. So yeah, I'm about to get dressed. I'm about to go out, and we're gonna see how everybody else reacts to my new hair. Thank you so much, Allie Grace, for sponsoring this video and sending me this hair. I will leave all the links down below in the description box for y'all to check out if y'all want to purchase this hair. Of course, my discount code will be on the screen somewhere and down below in the description box, so make sure you go check out all of that. Leave me some comments, like this video, share with all your ghetto friends, and I will see y'all in my next one.